Hi, welcome back to day 2 of converting metric length. I'm going to work through 12 problems with you. When you feel like you're getting the hang of it, if you want to go ahead and stop this video and get started on your assignment, you may go ahead and do so. But if you find on your assignment you're running stuck, you might want to come back and watch a few more examples. Let's start right in on this first problem, 79 centimeters converted to meters. That means I will come over here and put my cursor, you would put your finger on centimeters. I'm moving to meters, which is 2 jumps to the left, which means my decimal, which is behind the 9, invisible, will move 2 spaces to the left as well, making my answer 0.79. Let's do this next problem. 614 centimeters again, 2 meters. Go 1, 2 places to the left. So my decimal, which is here, goes 2 places to the left. My answer would be 6.14. Moving on to 8.2 meters. This time we're starting on meters. And we're moving towards centimeters, which is 2 hops to the right. So this decimal, you see, has to move 2 spots to the right, which means it would be 820. See right here, it's between the 8 and the 2. 2 spots would mean I have to add the 0 so that it's a placeholder to keep that decimal, which is invisible now, right there. 429 meters, starting here, moving to centimeters. Moving from meters to centimeters, it's 2 spaces to the right. My decimal is invisible behind the 9. 2 more spaces would mean I'd need 2 zeros behind it. So 42900 is what it would end up being. 42,900 centimeters, and I will put that comma right in there. Let's move this guy over. 92 meters, again moving to centimeters. That was 2 hops to the right. My decimal then has to go 2 hops to the right. The answer would be 9,200. Let's change that to a comma and we'll be all set. 58 millimeters over here, moving to meters. 1, 2, 3 to the left. Here's my decimal right now, invisibly behind the 8. 1, 2, 3. Looks like I'll need a placeholder 0. 0.058 meters. 95 millimeters. I'm back over here to meters. 1, 2, 3 spots. That means this decimal that's invisible behind the 5 has to move 1, 2, 3 spots. Again, I need a placeholder 0, 0.095. Move this guy over. 28.4 centimeters, changing to meters. Centimeters to meters. Did you see how many hops that was? So it's 2. This decimal moves 2. So we would have 0.284. 16.7 centimeters to meters. 1, 2 hops. The decimal goes 2 spots. 0.167 meters. 167 hundredths of a meter. 632 meters to kilometers. Meters is our base unit, if you'll remember here. Kilometers is 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So the decimal, which is behind the 2, 1, 2, 3 spaces, that would mean it's 0.632 kilometers, km. 2 kilometers. This is the first time on our sample that we're starting way on the left of our chart and we're moving to meters. 1, 2, 3 spots. So our decimal, which is here behind the 2, has to be moved 3 spaces over. The only way it will stay over 3 spaces is if we put placeholders in there. So let's do that. 2, 0, 0, 0, 2,000 meters. And finally, we have 1.5 kilometer to meters. 1, 2, 3. This decimal moves 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. Looks like I'll need 2 zeros at the end of that to make it stay. 1, 5, 0, 0, 1,500 meters.